This video shows Sir John Stringfellow's flying machine No. 5. The plane has a wingspan of 160 centimeters and the takeoff weight is 1,400 grams. The brushless electric motor has a diameter of 35 millimeters. The propeller has a diameter of 10 inches and a pitch of 6 inches. The battery is a 2,400 milliamp hours 3S LiPo. The aircraft is controlled with aileron and elevator. Let's see how the plane flies. Flying Machine No. 5 by John Stringfellow. Design of a steam-powered flying machine, 1879. John Stringfellow was born in 1799 in Sheffield and died on the 13th of December 1883 in London. He was an English inventor and an aviation pioneer of the 19th century. Stringfellow became known for his work on a steam-powered flying model and is thus considered one of the first pioneers of powered flight. He shared his interest in aviation with his friend William Samuel Henson. As there were no combustion engines in his time, flight experiments were undertaken with steam-powered models. After a series of failures and Henson's subsequent emigration to the USA, Stringfellow achieved a successful 36.58-meter flight in a factory hangar in June 1848, with a monoplane model with a wingspan of 3 meters. Stringfellow's works were shown at an extensive exhibition at the Crystal Palace in London in 1868 and acquired by the head of the Smithsonian Institution in Washington, D.C., Samuel Pierpont Langley, in 1889.